This charming home offers a serene countryside escape on a picturesque 1+ acre lot in New York. The property features rolling lawns, mature gardens, a tranquil babbling creek, and an idyllic setting. With its historic character and peaceful atmosphere, this home is perfect for those seeking a timeless residence. Conveniently located just minutes from Clinton and New Hartford, this property offers the best of both worlds, rural tranquility and urban accessibility. Make this charming home your own and enjoy the serenity of country living. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.